What if I told you that your brain is a storage powerhouse? I'm talking about a capacity of around 2.5 petabytes. That's equivalent to about 3 million hours of YouTube videos. Imagine binge-watching content for 342 years straight without sleep. Mind-blowing, right? But how does our brain manage this incredible feat? Well, it's all thanks to our neurons. Those tiny but mighty cells. There are about 86 billion of them, each forming thousands of connections. These connections, or synapses, are where the magic happens. Information gets stored, retrieved, and processed at lightning speed. It's like having an ultra-fast, super-efficient computer inside your head. But here's the twist. Unlike computers, our brains aren't just about raw data storage. They excel at pattern recognition, learning, and adapting. Think about it. While watching a YouTube video, your brain not only stores the visual and auditory information, but also the emotional impact, the context, and the nuances. It's like having an advanced multidimensional filing system. Now, let's put this into perspective. If your brain storage was solely for YouTube videos, you'd be a walking library of content, but our brains are designed for much more. Creativity, problem solving, and experiencing life in all its richness. So, next time you're binging on your favorite YouTube series, remember, your brain is doing some incredible behind-the-scenes work to make that experience possible. Pretty awesome, huh? If you enjoyed this peek into the amazing capabilities of your brain, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending science content. Catch you in the next video.